All right, kiddos, make sure that you have paper, pencil, or a notebook, right, for these notes. These notes are called Segment Addition Postulate, emphasis on find the missing length, right? We're going to find the missing length, which is a little different than what we've done so far, right? So the first set of notes that the first bullet point we're going to see is what we already know, right? Short plus short is equal to long. The short segment plus the short segment is equal to the long segment. Another thing that we know is we're going to solve for x, right? I'm trying to get x by itself. But the extra thing that we're going to add here to these notes is we're going to plug x into desired side or desired length, right? Or desired segment. Desired is segment. Okay. So let's see what that looks like. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our short plus short equals long. So I say ij plus jk is equal to ik. Right? So now let's substitute. How much is ij? Well, ij is equal to 6x minus 230. Plus, how much is jk? jk is 5x minus 180. And ik, the long segment, is equal to 74. Right? Okay, so let's put our x's together. 6x plus 5x, right? 6x plus 5x goes together. Negative 230 and negative 180 go together. Negative 230 and negative 180 go together. On the right side, it's just 74, right? So let's draw our line of separation and let's start combining like terms. So 6x plus 5x is 11x. Negative 230 and negative 180, excuse me. They're both like terms, right, guys? They're both just regular numbers. And when you have regular numbers that have the same sign, look at that, negative and negative, they're the same sign. We're going to add them. So 230 with my calculator plus 180 is 410. And it's a negative 410 because 230 is bigger and 230 is a negative, right? So now what I want to do is I want to bring this minus 410 over and make it a plus 410, right? So minus, cross out minus 410 and make it a plus 410. So I still have 11x yet, 11 times x left, right? So let me bring down my line of separation a little lower. And 74 is positive. 410 is positive. So I'm going to add those two guys. So 410 plus 74 is 484. Right? So the opposite of multiplying by 11 is dividing by 11. Right? So when I cross that out. So I'm going to cross out 11 and divide by 11. So I'm left with x is equal to, well, let's see, 484. I'm going to use my calculator here. 484 divided by 11 is equal to 44. Look at that, right? There you go. But, guys, look at this extra step here. Plug x into desired side, desired length. What in the heck are they asking us for? They want us to find ij. They want to know how much ij is. And ij goes from here to here. How long is that? Well, it's 6x minus 230, right? Okay, well, let's see here. Let me change colors. ij is equal to 6x minus 230. But wait a minute. I know what x is. X is 44. So let me replace x with 44. And everything else just comes down. 6 minus 230. And we remember that parentheses means 6 times 44. So I'm going to use my calculator. 6 times 44 is equal to 264. Minus 230. So 264 minus 230 is just 34. So IJ, this now, here's my yellow, this IJ equal just comes down. IJ equal to 34. Now that right here, guys, is my solution. This is my solution right here. Right? IJ. Find IJ. I found IJ. Right? So those are the steps, right? I set up short plus short equals long. I did the work. I found x is equal to 44. And then I plugged x into 6x minus 230 because IJ is 6x minus 230. And I did the math and I found out that IJ is equal to 34. Okay, and that's what we have to do on these types of problems, right? So that's the first example. Right? Second example, let's do it here. Let's see. This is descriptive. Okay, it's describing it. So let's see. Let's read. Let's read here. Points A, B, and C are collinear. Well, we know collinear means that they're on the same line, right? On the same segment. Point P is between A and C. It is on A and C, right? So let's see here. So we have our point A to C, and point B is on it, right? So let's set up our short plus short equals long. So AB plus BC is equal to AC. Short plus short equals long, right? So now let's plug in what we have, guys. What did they give us? Well, how much is AB? Well, this says AB is equal to 2x minus 36. So 2x minus 36 plus, how much is BC? Well, they say that BC is equal to 15. So I'm going to put 15 right there. Finally, how much is AC? Well, they say AC is equal to 5x minus 114. So 5x minus 114. So let me draw my line of separation. I'm going to bring my stuff together, right? Negative 36 plus 15 are not the same signs. They are not the same signs. So when two numbers are not the same signs and I'm combining them, I subtract. Exactly. So 36 minus 15 is 21. And it's a negative 21 because 36 is bigger and 36 is a negative. So, right? So I know that I'm going to bring this negative 21 over and bring them over here and do plus 21. So let me cross out this minus 21 and do plus 21. So that means I'm going to bring this 5x over and bring them over here with this x and make it a minus 5x, like that. So I'm going to cross out 5x and make it a negative 5x. So a positive 2x and a negative 5x are not the same signs. So I have to subtract them. 5 minus 2 is 3x. So I'm going to say 3x. And it's a negative because 5 is bigger and 5 is a negative. Now here, minus 114 and positive 21 are not the same sign, so I'm going to subtract them. 114 minus 21 is 93. And it's going to be a negative 93 because 114 is bigger and 114 is a negative. So I remember that negative 3x means negative 3 times x. And the opposite of multiplying by negative 3x is dividing by negative 3. I'm sorry, not x, only negative 3, right? I want to leave x. So I cross out negative 3 and I divide by negative 3. So I'm left with x is equal to negative divided by negative is positive. I use my calculator. 93 divided by 3 is 31. And look at that. There's my x, right? But what in the heck are they asking me for in this problem right here? Where does it say find? Here it says find ij for number 1, right? What does number 2 say? What does it want me to find? It says find AB. I need to find what AB is. Well, how much is AB? Well, they say here AB is equal to negative 2x. I'm sorry, positive 2x minus 36. So I'm going to write that down on the bottom here. I'm going to change colors. Brown. AB is equal to 2x minus 36. Okay. Well, I know what the heck x is. X is 31. See? X is equal to 31. So let me take out x and put a parentheses and write a 31 in there instead of x. I'm going to bring down my 2 and I'm going to bring down my 36. 2 times 31, because we know parentheses means times, is 62 minus 36. And 62 minus 36 with my calculator is 26. And you guys see my AB equal? That just comes down. AB equal. And there is my solution, guys. Look. Find AB. Find AB. Well, I found AB. AB is equal to 26. And there is my example for my second solution. And there, everyone, are my 2 examples for these notes. So make sure that you have copied all the notes. You rewind it if you needed to rewind and rewatch. You pause, right, to copy and make sure that you're on the right track. But these are my notes, video lesson notes for segment addition postulate, find the missing length.